So guys, so today is the review about the Bath and Body Works fragrance mist. So this is in the stars from Bath and Body Works fine fragrance mist. It comes with 236 ml and this cost around 700 only when it is on sale. If you buy these individually, it's cost around like 1400 to 1500. So it's better to buy these on sale. So you can buy these on Nykaa, or you can buy these on Bath and Body Works website, and you can buy this on Bath and Body Works store. Okay, and search in Google, you will get where the Bath and Body Works will stores are there. Okay, so this is the in the stars, as you can see. So this is also again a beautiful fragrance. So this is also like long lasting fragrance. It smells really long, more than 5 hours and more than 6 hours. I mean, it smells all day, I say. Okay, it's really like not only 4 to 6 hours, but it smells really long lasting fragrance. Okay, so this is how it looks. So pale yellow color from the inside, pale yellow color. So as you can see down here, so this is the in the stars, and buy these on sale. So this is also again unisex kind of smell, but I can say there is hint of sandalwood and like sweet smell in it. So only it's good to use. I mean, if your partner wants to use it, it's okay. Any people can smell, they won't identify it's like a male fragrance or female fragrance, but it's like really nice. So both can use this, but it's like more womanish kind of smell. Hope you understand. And this is really long lasting smell, and it's like if you coat it up with if you use it up with lotion, you will smell really nice. And this is like beautiful. So the description about this fragrance from the Bath and Body Works is like a warm sparkling blend of star flower. I don't know how star flower smells, but it's like really flowery, and it's again says sandalwood musk. I can smell the hint of sandalwood, but it's really musky, and it's sugared tangelo. It's really like sugar tangelo, and it's like radiant amber scent and white agar wood. Okay, as I told, there is agar wood in it and sandalwood and musk. So you can definitely feel how the perfume, I mean the fragrance is like. It's really like musky, and it's like musky and woody kind of smell. So both, actually men's perfume will be like musky to woody, right? So that's why I'm saying female also can use this. I mean, your partner can also use this, men's can also use this. So if you really want a unisex kind of fragrance mist, so you can go with this, and it really lasts longer, and you can wear this every day, or you can wear this on occasions. It's better to wear on occasions. It's not like it's like every day, but it depends upon you. It's like you can wear every day, and you can go out with this fragrance as well, because they last very longer, and it's really nice smell in the stars, and this is like very nice smell. Okay, so this is beautiful. So first point, it's really long lasting, and second one is it's really nice. It has really nice packaging, and third one, it's like both women and men can use this, and fourth one is it's buy this only on sale. Okay, so as you can see, and before you're buying any Bath and Body Works fragrance mist, all people won't like fragrance. If you buy without seeing the fragrance description, you will feel bad after buying the product. Okay, first when you go out or when you go to the store, first check the description of the fragrance on store, or if you are buying on phone, you have to definitely see the fragrance mist description. Okay, so then you will get an idea. So this is the review of In the Stars from Bath & Body. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends. Bye bye.